Alright, so this is my part, and all I really want to do is modify this dimension to be 37 inches. So I get told that D2 at Sketch 2 is read-only. I say okay, then I can go to Other and change it from read-only, right? And you could see that it was linked. I'm going to go back. You could see that it was linked to another part. So at one point in time there was an equation there. I'm gonna, just before I click on it, no, it's gone now. But you could see that it was linked prior. And so now I'm going to modify it to 37. And sometimes this will save and stay modifiable, but other times it'll just revert back into that read-only status. And that's what I'm trying to get to the bottom of, is why would it go back to read-only if there's some kind of equation link that happens and somehow it turns this back on. So those are my areas. I mean, maybe this part will do it, maybe it won't. I'm going to pack and go it so that you can review it on your machine. And I guess just to show you, I'm using SOLIDWORKS 2018 Service Pack 2. Thanks.